What if I told you that you could make $500 a day sitting at home with just your computer and AI tools? Sounds too good to be true. Well, stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen completely automated. No experience required. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of making money online but felt like you didn't have the skills, the time, or the knowledge, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make $500 per day using AI totally automated, beginner friendly, and incredibly simple to start. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start making money today. Now, let's get to the exciting part. You're probably wondering, how can I make $500 a day using AI? Well, AI tools have become super accessible and they're changing the way we work and make money. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert in AI to take advantage of it. Let me break it down for you. There are a few simple methods where you can use AI to generate income. The key here is automation. Let AI handle the repetitive tasks for you so you can focus on scaling your business and income. Let's start with content creation. AI can help you generate blog posts, YouTube video scripts, social media content, and even books in minutes. Imagine running a blog or YouTube channel without spending hours writing or brainstorming ideas. With tools like Jasper.ai or ChatGPT, you can automate the writing process, publish content regularly, and start earning from ads, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own digital products. The beauty of automation is that once you set it up, it works 24/7. So, while you sleep, AI keeps creating content, driving traffic, and making money for you. Next, let's talk about AI for digital marketing. AI tools like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and even Pinterest can optimize your marketing campaigns and help you generate leads for businesses, products, or affiliate offers. Imagine running ad campaigns that only target your ideal customers and doing this completely hands-off. You can use platforms like Jarvis.ai to write and optimize your ads automatically. Once the campaigns are set up, you can watch the leads and sales roll in. If you have a product or service to sell, or even an affiliate offer, this is a huge opportunity to generate passive income with AI-driven advertising. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use AI in e-commerce. AI tools like Shopify can automate everything from inventory management to customer service. With AI-powered chatbots, your online store can run 24/7 without needing constant supervision. Combine this with AI for product research and price optimization, and you've got an automated money-making machine. And if you don't have your own products, there's still a way to make money through affiliate marketing or dropshipping, and AI can help you scale faster than ever. Now, if you want to get more advanced, you could even start your own AI consulting service. As businesses realize the power of AI, there's a growing demand for experts even if you're a beginner, to help them implement AI tools in their operations. You could use your knowledge to offer consulting services, helping businesses set up AI power systems to increase their revenue. You'd be surprised how many small and medium businesses need help with AI, and they're willing to pay for it. So, there you have it. Whether it's through content creation, digital marketing, e-commerce, or consulting, AI can help you make $500 a day, and it's totally beginner friendly. The best part, most of this can be automated, meaning you can make money passively without a ton of effort. If you're ready to get started, make sure to check out the links in the description below for all the AI tools I mentioned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video on how to make money online. Let me know in the comments which AI method you're most excited to try.